Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So, today we'll see how quickly you can write an email. So, suppose you have just only context and you don't have much idea around the subject line and the what body will come. So, the Chat GPT or other open AI tool, yeah, other AI tools are the one you can take help, but you don't have to worry around that because that itself can be used within the Gmail in case you are using a Gmail. So same feature can be explored within the other vendor like the Outlook will have. So here I am going to type leave request to manager email. Okay, so first just you will have to type, then select this one and right click, and here you see the emoji, then the help me write. So, okay, so you'll have to click here on the help me write, and you see just you'll have to click on OK. So after doing this, you see the police impress. So let's click on the create whatever is coming. Got it. So this will take a few moment here, and now you see your email is ready. So subject line it give you the leave request, and you can put your name if you want. And this is what the container gives. So in case you see it is very lengthy, you can make it. You can elaborate in case you have. Okay, so elaborate email you will see, refine, shorten in case you want more short. Got it. So this is what, and if you click on the replace, it will be replaced. Got it. So your mail content is replaced. Now you have to replace the variables. So you can do this on, you can replace your name, manager name, and the date, and once read once before sending out. So that's it. To subscribe me for such exclusive content around the tech. Thank you.